Hello friends, this reading is all about what is the current message from Sainath for your relationship, for your life. So this is a journal guidance for everyone. Whatever resonates with you, just pick those things. Whatever doesn't resonate, just leave those things. I'm going to use the Sainath card here, and I'm also going to pick some cards from the divine connections to get messages from you about your relationship, about your career, about your life, whatever general guidance we are going to come get here from Sainath. I'm going to deliver those messages. Those who are new to this channel, please like and subscribe this channel so that you can get further videos, and just try press the bell icon for the further notification about further videos. And I am Ashika M. Thakur. I am tarot reader, psychic medium, angel channeler. I am a white spell caster. So now we start this reading. This is a general reading. Let's see what messages are coming for you for today from Sainath. What Saira want to send the message for you? What are their message for you? Let's see. Belief. So Sainath message is coming up for you. Don't believe everything that you think, for it's not a reality. So Sainath want to tell you that whatever you believe, whatever belief systems you have created in your life, you have to trust them. Like everything is not a reality. Sometimes sometimes you feel that this person is not meant for you, or sometimes you feel this thing is not going to work for you. Sometimes you think negative. So whatever you think, Sainath is saying, it doesn't mean that everything you think is the reality of your life. Reality is different and the way of thinking is different. You have to change the perception of your life. You have to see the reality rather than going into the illusion. So this is what is the first message coming up here. Sadness and gladness. If you seek belief and sadness and gladness, that means your belief system. If you believe that everything is going negative in your life, definitely it is going to bring sadness in your life. Sadness is all about a two side of a coin. One side is sadness of a coin, and another side you can see it's gladness. So it represents your own thought patterns. It represents, if you think positive, definitely you are going to attract positive. If you feel that I am happy in every situation, definitely you are going to attract those vibes. So your belief system is the way you believe, the way you think is the way you attract thing in your life. Whether if you think negative, definitely you are going to attract more sadness, more sorrow, more negativity in your life. If you believe that everything is okay and everything is going to be okay, and Sainath is definitely here for me to protect me, for guide me, definitely Sainath will help you to come out of any situation where you are stuck up. So let's pick more cards. Karma. So good deeds is definitely going to be paid off with good karma. So definitely karma is the cause and effect of not punishment. Karma is not anything which is related with punishment. Sometimes we believe that if a person is going to do good karma, they will pay it off with a good karma, good deeds, good things. And if we do negative karmas, we are going to be punished for that. It is not like that. Karma are the blockages. If you do good karmas, the things are going to be more fluent in your life. You will achieve whatever you want in your life. If you do something wrong, definitely it will it will turn into a sort of blockages in your life. So the messages are coming up from the Sainath. Believe on yourself, change the thought patterns, try to stay positive, create a belief on yourself that if I do a good deed, definitely I am going to achieve the good things in my life. This is what is the message coming for you. Now let's pick cards to get some messages from Sainath related with your relationship. What they want you to know. So see, anger issues. So definitely in your relationship, the Sainath is showing me that there are lots of anger issues. There are lots of frustrations going on in your relationship. Due to that, you are having lots of issues. Might be possible your partner is very hyper. He is very aggressive kind of person, and due to that, you are losing the hope from yourself. Your belief is totally taken out of from your relationship. So the Sainath is saying you have to heal this issue. This is what is the blockage in your relationship, and you have to heal these blockages. And the another message is coming up, love songs. So definitely you need to bring more loves, more belief, and in your relationship, in your life, then only you will be able to attract more happiness in your life. Exhausted. Sometimes you feel exhausted because of this anger issue. It could be related with your own anger issues. Like you are like your belief system get disturbed, like you were unable to believe any person because of your solar chakra disbalancing. So I am getting those who are watching this general guidance from Sainath, I'm getting that you need to work on your solar chakra also. When the solar chakra get blocked or it get hyperactive, the anger issue definitely arises. It also create the blockages in the belief system. So the message is coming up for you people is like to just heal yourself. Just heal and start working on bringing love in your life. You can also wear a citrine, which is also going to help you to balance your solar chakra, and also going to create the manifestation, whether it is related with money. You will able to create manifestation here. And I am also getting up that belief. Definitely start believing on yourself that I am the one, I am my own creator, and God is going to help me, and I'm just, the thing is that start working, start putting efforts. Don't think about the outcome. If you are thinking positive, if you are putting your 100% efforts in your life, definitely you will be paid up for that. So this is what is a general reading for you. Hopefully it resonates with you. Whatever resonates, just pick those things. Whatever doesn't resonate, just leave those things. Like and subscribe this channel. Try to share the videos. And please, if it resonates with you, just drop your comments in the comment box. Thank you very much.